Welcome to Cyberflux, your hub for cybersecurity, tech insights, and digital growth. If you're curious about Linux but don't know where to start, stay tuned. In this video, we'll explore the best way to learn Linux, step by step. Linux powers most of the internet. From servers and supercomputers to Android devices and cybersecurity tools, it's everywhere. But here's the challenge. Many beginners get overwhelmed by the countless commands, distributions, and technical jargon. So how do you learn Linux the smart way, without giving up? Pick the right distribution first. Choose a beginner-friendly Linux distribution. If you're new, go with Ubuntu or Linux Mint. If you want something closer to enterprise servers, try CentOS or Debian. Don't worry about picking the perfect distro. Just start with one and stick to it. You'll thank yourself later. Hands-on practice is key. The best way to learn Linux isn't by reading endless documentation. It's by using it. Install Linux on an old computer, or use VirtualBox or VMware to create a virtual machine on your PC. Even better, use Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL, if you're on Windows. This way, you can experiment without breaking your main system. Learn the command line. Yes, Linux has a graphical interface, but the real power lies in the terminal. Start with the basics: ls to list files, cd to change directories, mkdir to make folders, cp, mv, rm for file management. Once you master these, move on to user management, permissions, and networking commands. Solve real problems. Don't just memorize commands, apply them. Try setting up a simple web server. Create a bash script to automate tasks. Explore file permissions by managing users. Every small project builds confidence and makes Linux second nature. Use online resources wisely. Use platforms like Linux Journey and Linuxize for structured learning. Watch tutorials and read man pages when stuck. Join forums like r/Linux on Reddit or Linux communities on Discord. Remember, asking questions and troubleshooting problems is part of the learning process. Stay consistent. Dedicate just 30 minutes a day. Over weeks and months, you'll notice progress. Consistency matters more than cramming everything at once. So, the best way to learn Linux is simple. Pick a distro, practice hands-on, master the command line, build small projects, and stay consistent. If you follow this approach, you'll go from beginner to comfortable Linux user faster than you think. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to Cyberflux for more guides on tech, cybersecurity, and digital skills. And if you'd like to support the channel and access exclusive content, consider joining our Patreon community. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring.